Okay, well, hopefully you can tell by my face that went really, really well. As a side, that's really the first time I've tested my bandsaw, pushed it to its limit, because as you can see the stop is right at the top there. It couldn't go any deeper. That was a 21 centimetre block. 21 centimetre block of wood. I mean, it's softwood, it's pine, but even still, 21 centimetres depth of cut. And you know, I took it nice and slow, but it went through there. There's no burn marks. It's a superb surface that is left. I mean, you know, that will need sanding, but it won't need planing. That's just going to need sanding. And the big test is, yeah, okay. So I didn't mark my line exactly halfway because I've got a bit of a step there. But in terms of blade saw drift, the previous video that I did, that I'll put a link to, where I tuned this all and set it all up to eliminate bandsaw drift, and I believe I've completely eliminated bandsaw drift, which is amazing. Having done that, yes, okay, I think what I didn't do is I didn't take into account the width of the bandsaw blade, including the teeth, the offset teeth. So I'm out by about 2 mil. So I will have to plane one of those down by 2 mil. But looking along the edge of it, I don't know if you can see the step. It's a 2 mil step, but it's a consistent 2 mil step all the way along. So it's a 2 mil step, but it's a consistent 2 mil step all the way along, which means pushing through 21 centimetres of softwood, that blade did not move, did not drift at all. So I cannot tell you how happy I am I've been thinking about cutting this piece of wood. Obviously, with the benefit of hindsight, what I would have done is I would have cut, these are all just off a pallet. What I would have done is cut every single piece while it was only a centimetre wide. I would have cut them all into these widths while I was, and that's what I will do next time. But I didn't have the benefit of hindsight at the time. But that's a beautiful, beautiful cut. As I say, no burn, no drift, nothing. So first of all, that's an amazing advert for this Lumberjack 14-inch bandsaw, which I bought 6 months ago with my own money. So pleased with that. This is a 3/4 inch blade that I bought from sawmaster.co.uk. Again, no affiliation there, just telling you where I got it from, sawmaster.co.uk. So it's 3/4 inch. I treated myself to, there's 2 different types of material. You can have carbon or bimetal, I think it is, and I treated myself to a bimetal one, which technically is more meant for hardwoods really, but as you can just see with that cut of 21 centimetres deep, having a really high quality, I've decided to treat myself to a really high quality blade. And yeah, I couldn't be happier with that. That's just an amazing cut. So if you've got any questions or any comments, please leave them down below. And if you've got time to like the video, that would be absolutely amazing. And if you've got time to subscribe to the channel, even better, thank you very much. Get my numbers up. And in the meantime, until next time, stay safe.